Go.
Welcome back to Subway Surf, and I'm going to show you instructions to make it go high score. Okay, we're about to start now, so tap to play. Oh man, vampire, you're creepy. Right, jump over this, then you go up the ones that are open, and then you just roll down this side, and then you move tracks when you see like a carriage coming up. Then you grab stuff that's sparkly, and then get as many coins as you can, and then they'll show up here, and try and make sure you don't die. So you jump over here when first you got on it. Okay, now this is hard, so you have to go side to side. And I think we're almost there and done. See, when you make a word, it divides us up. And jump again and jump. Well, here comes another letter. Right, grab as many coins as you can, and then keep jumping, and then grab this pogo stick. Oh, that jetpack as well. Jetpacks are really good, so they give you bonus points. And then when you run out of coins, you just fly down. Sorry, I missed the last one. And I died. So I'm going to do one more, and that's it, or maybe one more after this will die. So the same as last time, and don't let that Frankenstein police with the zombie dog get you, because she just started off spray painting the whole thing, and well, I don't know what it means, so we better keep going before he gets us. And if you trip over something, he'll grab you. But if you trip over something and you don't fall on it, that means he won't get you. So you've got another 2 seconds left to get up. Now I've finished my lectures.
Look, we're doing Billy's YouTube video, sorry.
I've got 50 bonus points. That's good. Daddy, one.
Right, we need to end it now. Come on, let's wrap it up.
Okay, I'm gonna end it now. So, he got me! Ah! And that's it. Now, see you next time, and I'll make another video with Subway Surf that's even better. So bye, see you soon, and keep running.